we're going to town today. My eyes are closed. Is it easy? No, you're supposed to back up. Back up, Beezy. Back up. Beezy. You're such a cutie. You're such a cutie, Beezy. Cutie. Oh, you're so cute. You're all cuddly and cutie. Cutie Beezy. She's just like, leave me alone. Don't touch me. I'm done. I'm done with the world. Done, done, done. Hi. I see you. I see you, Beezy. Beezy. Oh, I see Beezy. Oh, I have loves. I have loves. Boop. Boop. Nose kisses. Boop. She's like, no. Stop being a little antisocial puppy. No one wants that. Oh. Don't even think about it. That's my food, not yours. My food. Woo. Holy moly, my hair is gray looking. How gray does my hair look, Beezy? Oh my god, the sun's going down. Breezy, how bad does my hair look? Very bad? Very bad? Is it very bad? Can you even see yourself? Yes, you can. Poor Breezy. Breezy. No, my hair does look pretty bad, but it looks good right here, man. No, not really. Not really. It needs to be brushed and dyed. I mean, look at that. You can see green in it. Whoa. Whoa, man. Look at my hair. It's even in my eyelashes. So, we went to town today and we got a few things, but I didn't vlog it because we were in a hurry and I was in a really bad mood. Well, I was in a bad mood when we left, but I got into a bad mood. Wow, that's an attractive face. But Breezy here is being a little weirdo. She's being a little psycho, a little psychotic weirdo. She just scoffed at me. And she has a tooth hanging out of her. Do you see that? You look so funny. I can't even see you. What? Oh, thank you, Beezy. Oh, thank you, Beezy. Weirdo. Weirdo. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Bloop, 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 bloop. You are such a weirdo. What are you doing? Really? Really, Breezy? Really? Oh, you all shy. You shy, Breezy. You look so cute. Don't roll, you'll roll off the bed. Ow! Oh, no, baby. Weirdo. Ooh, shakies. Psycho. Psycho? Are you a psycho? You psycho, Breezy? Wait. Now she looks like a psycho. You psycho? You psycho, Breezy? You psycho? Oh, whoa. You really look psycho there. Holy. I even knew. Miss Busy? Do you want to? What? Hi. So, it's like 8 something. I don't know. I'll be asleep in like an hour. And Breezy's over there like, don't hurt me. So, the world was supposed to end a year ago from today. Wait, does that even make sense? I don't know. Who cares? The world was supposed to end exactly a year ago. I think we all died. I don't know. Who cares? But tomorrow night, we're going to look at Christmas lights. And then, wait, tomorrow's Sunday, right? Yeah, tomorrow's Sunday. And Monday comes afterwards. So, these next few days are going to be hectic. It's way too early to be saying Merry Christmas to me. Like, December just barely started. But this is going to be like my ending clip, I guess, for this vlog. My computer. Can't see it. My computer. Where's my computer? I need my computer. Oh, it's right here. Yeah. There's my computer. There's my computer, and that's what I edit my vlogs on. I edit my vlogs on YouTube, but still. So, tomorrow, I don't think we're doing much besides the Christmas lights. And then I have to take care of kitties because you already know this. Never mind. But I'll try to vlog this time tomorrow. While I'm taking care of the kitties, I'll try and vlog. I don't think she'll really care if I vlog in her house. She doesn't know that I vlog, but you know, no one here really does, except for my family. I also can't find my bobcat sweater, dude. I'm so upset. That's like my most favorite sweater ever. And now I have to wear this Joe Boxer one until I can find it. It's okay though. Whatever, I guess. But my bobcat one makes me so upset. I'm just like, come on, man. Out of all things, I had to lose that. I really shouldn't say that, because if I say that, then I'll end up losing my phone. Anyway, I still haven't gotten Zion's and Mariah's other parts of their Christmas presents yet. They haven't come in the mail. They're supposed to come on the 19th of this month, obviously. But it hasn't. It's 21st, so I don't know what's going on. It is the weekend, so maybe I'll get it on Monday. Because, I don't know. I'm so bored right now. I'm so tired. I'll probably go to sleep earlier than an hour. And Breezy doesn't want to say bye. It's not Breezy. She's not in the mood. And neither am I. I'm just about to go to sleep. I need a new mascara though. No joke. Because my mascara, it just sucks, man. I used like 3 different mascaras because they're all dried out and they suck. So I'm gonna have to go get a new one soon once I get more money. Whoa! Whoa there! Whoa! Feeties! I have duck feet. I just do. I have a lot of things wrong with me, including my mind. But anyway, I'm gonna go. I know this vlog's like really boring, but you got to see Breezy act like a complete weirdo. I guess that's good enough, but within these next few vlogs, it'll be more Christmassy. and stressful. I actually get to wrap presents with my mom, so I'm really excited for that, man. I'm getting so good at wrapping presents, and I've only wrapped 4 of them so far. Yeah, so I'm gonna go. I'll see you tomorrow, most likely. My eyelashes on this eye look really long. That never happens. I am crying though. No, I'm just kidding. My eye's watering for no reason. Okay, this has been 5 minutes. I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna go. I'll see you all tomorrow. You all? Nobody even watches my vlogs.